Hello students, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject which will help you to understand or learn more. In this channel you will get videos related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solutions for class 7 science chapter 10 respiration in organisms. So before we begin with the chapter, let's revise what we have learned in the chapter. So let's do the summary of the chapter. Respiration is essential for survival of living organisms. It releases energy from food. The oxygen we inhale is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. Energy is released in the process. The breakdown of glucose occurs in the cells of an organism, that is cellular respiration. If the food is broken down with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. If the breakdown occurs without the use of oxygen, the respiration is called anaerobic respiration. During heavy exercise, when the supply of oxygen to our muscle cells is insufficient, food breakdown is known by anaerobic respiration. Breathing is a part of the process of respiration during which an organism takes in the oxygen-rich air and gives out air rich in carbon dioxide. The respiratory organs for the exchange of gases vary in different organisms. During inhalation, our lungs expand and then come back to the original state as the air moves out during exhalation. Increased physical activity enhances the rate of breathing. In animals like cow, buffalo, dog, cat, the respiratory organs and the process of breathing are similar to those in humans. In earthworm, the exchange of gases occurs through the moist skin. In fishes, it takes place through gills, and in insect through the texture. In a plant, the roots take in air present in the soil. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata through which they exchange gases. The breakdown of glucose in the plant cells is similar to that in other living beings. Now let's do the exercise of the textbook. In that first question is, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? So the answer is, during running the athlete uses lots of energy. So he or she needs more energy and breathes faster. Question 2. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The similarities. Energy is released, carbon dioxide is produced. And the difference between both are, anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen, while aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Glucose is completely breakdown in aerobic respiration but not in anaerobic respiration. Question 3. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? So the answer is, the air around us have various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollen, etc. When we inhale, the particles get trapped in the air present in our nasal cavity. However, sometimes these particles may get past the hair in the nasal cavity. Then they irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneezing expels these foreign particles from the inhaled air and dust-free clean air enters our body. Question 4. Take 3 test tubes. Fill 1/3 of each with water. Label them A, B, C. Keep a snail in the test tube A, a water plant in test tube B, and in C. Keep snail and plant both. Which test tube will have the highest concentration of CO2, that is carbon dioxide? So let's see the solution. The test tube A will have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide because snail will tap in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. In test tube B and C, the carbon dioxide will be utilized by the water plant for synthesizing food, and hence there will be less concentration of carbon dioxide in there. Question 5, tick the correct answer. In cockroaches, air enters the body through. So the answer is spiracles. Next, during heavy exercise, we get cramp in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Next, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is. So the answer is 15 to 18. Next, during exhalation, the ribs move downwards. Now match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. So these are the items in column 1 and column 2. We have to match this. So let's see the answer. So this is the answer for match the correct columns. Next question, mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. That first one is, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. The answer is false. Second, plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. The answer is false. Frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. The answer is true. The fishes have lungs for respiration. Answer is false. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. The answer is true. Next, give below is a square of letters in which different words related to respiration in organisms are hidden. These words may be present in any direction, upward, downward, or along the diagonals. Find the words for your respiratory system. Clues about those words are given below the square. So this is a square with different letters, and these are the questions. We have to find the answers in this. The first one is air tubes of insects. Second, skeletal structure surrounding chest cavity. Muscular flow of chest cavity. Tiny pores on the surface of leaf. Small openings on the sides of the body of an insect. The respiratory organs of human being. The openings through which we inhale. An aerobic organism, and organisms with tracheal system. So let's see the answer. So this is the answer for all the 9 questions. The numbers are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 is here, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the answer of the question. Let's say next one. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because. The options are, at an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. The amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. The temperature of air is higher than that on the ground. The pressure of air is higher than that on the ground. The right answer is the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. So this was the solution of the textbook exercise of chapter 10 NCERT of Science Standard 7th. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, questions or doubts in comment section if you have any. Or you can mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.